Hello everybody, today we're going to make an Oxtail Devil Fry, which is very spicy. I've got 1.5 kg of oxtail, taken off, all the excess fat is taken off, washed and ready to cook. Yeah, so now I'm going to put it in a pressure cooker, the oxtail in a pressure cooker. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of peppercorns, about 3 green cardamoms, a stick of cinnamon broken up, and a few cloves. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm adding 1.5 cup of water. Give it a stir. Mix all the turmeric and spices into the oxtail. I think I need another half cup of water. Now I'm going to put the lid on and pressure cook it for 20 minutes on a high heat. Turn on the gas high, and when it starts to whistle, we'll turn it down medium heat for 20 minutes. Now the pressure is on, you lower it to medium heat and let it cook for 20 minutes. Now it's gone 20 minutes, we'll turn off the gas and let the pressure go down, which will take another 5 to 10 minutes. Now the oxtail is ready to start making the fry, okay? So we turn on the gas, heat up the pan, put in 4 tablespoons of oil. Four tablespoons of oil. When oil is heated up, add a couple of bay leaves and 4 red chilies. Because this fry is going to be spicy, so we put the chilies and the powder. Now I'm ready to put the onions in. It's a medium to large onion sliced up. Add a little bit of salt to brown the onions quicker. Now the onions are getting brown, I'll put half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm only putting half a teaspoon of turmeric powder because I put the other half in the when the oxtail was cooking here. I put 1.5 teaspoons of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Give it a stir. And add some of the stock from the oxtail. And let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Now the oil is separated from the ginger and garlic, I'm going to add the other spices. 1.5 teaspoon of jeera powder and a teaspoon of hot chili powder, because it's going to be a spicy fry, so I put hot chili powder, a teaspoon, and 1/2 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Add a bit of the oxtail stock I mean, and give it a stir and let it fry for about 2 minutes. A 1/4 teaspoon of mustard powder, fresh ground mustard powder. Give it a stir. Add a bit more stock and let it cook for another 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add tomato puree made from a tin of plum tomatoes. Give it a stir and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's been simmering for about 2 to 3 minutes. We could add our oxtail and sauce. Add all the spices that you've been cooking the oxtail in, with the oxtail. Add them all in to the sauce now. Add the stock. Give it a stir. add all the remaining stock to it and cook it for another 45 minutes on medium heat till the sauce gets thicker and the oxtail fully cooks. Put the lid on and cook for about 45 minutes on medium heat. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of vinegar to soften the oxtail a bit and cook quicker. Now the oxtail is cooked, I'll put in half a cup of coconut milk. Give it a stir and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and the oxtail will be done. 2 to 3 minutes, yeah. It's done now. Turn off the gas. The oxtail fry is ready.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and ding the notification bell.